Installation.
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 Installation is a noun. As a noun, installation can mean 1. An act of installing, 2. Something installed, especially the whole of a system of machines, apparatus, and accessories, when set up and arranged for practical working, as in electric lighting, transmission of power, etc. 3. A work of installation art. 4. A grouping of facilities that constitute a permanent military base.
The installation asks you to share a story